Hello everyone. Now let's make a delicious cheese omelette together. We will need 3 eggs, a butter of butter, oil, salt, pepper, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese.
First, we want to wash the lettuce and tomatoes, then cut the tomatoes.
Next, break the eggs in a bowl and add the salt and pepper to taste.
After, mix the eggs with a fork. At the same time, we need to make the fire.
Then put the frying pan on the oven. Add the butter onto the pan. When the butter oil is hot, add the eggs into the pan. After a few minutes, flip the eggs over.
Add the cheese, then add tomato and lettuce after adding. Cover again with cheese.
Next, flip her off the egg and add the cheese again.
Finally, you can add it to the plate and you can eat as you like.